This could be the car for you. The 2019 Jeep Cherokee. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, remote engine start, alarm, electronic stability control. Feel relaxed and confident when you set out for adventure in the Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.